Alright, so what we have here is the Greenworks pressure washer sweeper to do concrete with and other surfaces. I've got it hooked up to an 1800 Greenworks pressure washer, and actually on that one the connection fits for my gas wand, the actual sprayer itself hooked up, so I have the bigger handle on here instead of the one that came with that pressure washer. This thing is rated for up to 2000 psi. This is an 1800. You can see, I don't know if you can make out on camera, but where I've done this area of the driveway and this area I haven't, you can see it's still dirty. And that's actually mine. I'm doing my neighbors as well because we have connecting driveways, so that way it all looks, you know, one's not dirty and one's bad. But I did this whole portion of the driveway as well as over here to this expansion joint, so you can see the difference between that and this. And so basically it hooks up nice and easy. It is well constructed. I have the bigger Briggs & Stratton one for a gas pressure washer that I had that crapped out on me, and that one at $70 doesn't even compare as far as the sturdiness. This one is very well constructed, easy to hook up via the quick connect, and you just take it. I've noticed that if you push it in a nice slow motion instead of trying to vacuum back and forth, just take it nice and easy and slow, it'll work out just fine. Inside here there's the one spinner bar with two pressure nozzles, spin around, covers this whole area, has the brush on the end of it. And this thing has saved me so much work already that if it craps out on me at any time, I wouldn't hesitate to buy another one. It's already paid for itself concerning my back and everything else. So you just turn it on and just go nice and slow. I won't do too long. And then what I'll do is when I get all the way to the end, I bring it over and then I bring it back. And then once I get a couple of full good strokes, passes on the concrete, I pick out a section, usually by the expansion joints. Then once I do a couple back and forths, I'll take it and I'll tilt it to actually clean off the water. And you can see already the difference just by that little bit. Highly recommend this product. Very happy with my purchase.
Dude, first time use. I pre-soaked the floor with the soap and everything. So, here's the attachment. Let's see what it do. Oh my goodness. I got the detergent in the tank. Wow, it used a lot of detergent quick though. Let's try this spot right here. Anyway, it'd be good enough for cleaning this floor. Unboxing and a full review of the Greenworks 11-inch surface cleaner. Electric pressure washers up to 2,000 psi, dual high pressure split. Alright, y'all, let's open this up. Nice and stars. Let's see. Alright, so that's about it. That's it. So, this feels pretty tough, which none of us had to read. Forward. We have our good old Sunjo, I believe. People bought like an extender. Little plastic. Alright, let's test it out.
this out. I got this thing for 20 bucks off Amazon, and it goes with your machine. Look at this. You guys, thank you so much. I really wasn't sure what I was buying, but watch this. What? What? This is the best power cleaner ever. Woohoo! Okay, just had to show you. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
after the second, I have to send it, I have to do a review. So I did review, I got to do it.